teaching style is amazing. He found the best way to let the students know their weaknesses or the things they can improve, even if they are like very confident in public speaking. He always has something special to make them improve their public speaking. Students have learned to talk in front of an audience with correct using of nonverbal communication, meaning like movements of their hands, position, walking around the scenario, using the correct volume of their voices, like make the audience participate in their speech or in their communication, abilities of correct eye contact, concentration in the moment, being relaxed at the moment of speaking. He also talked about how to like relax your body in order to relax your mind or their mind to be a better public speaker. I will surely a lot recommend this workshop to other companies, to all the people that want to improve a little bit or just want to learn how to communicate better or to improve their public speaking. It's amazing. I'm a psychologist and I'm very into the emotional interaction or the influence of the emotions in public speaking and in communication and in the daily reactions or the daily interactions. And I think this workshop really introduced the right concepts of emotional well-being to public speaking. For example, mindfulness, the conscious of our own body. Tom talks about recognizing our body signals. I mean, how do you feel when you are worried? How do you feel when you are stressed? Or how do you feel when you are excited? And when you learn to recognize these emotions, you can manage them better when you are in front of an audience. So I really enjoy that this fact of psychological concepts are also introduced in this workshop. The workshops are constructive, educational, funny, and inspiring.